The future simple tense is a language construction that is often used to indicate actions or events that will occur in the future. In music, this tense is frequently employed in the context of discussing upcoming song releases by artists. Artists and music producers use the future simple tense to generate excitement and anticipation for their new music, as well as to provide information about when fans can expect to hear their latest work. For example, imagine a music artist announcing the release of their new album. They might say, "My new album will drop next month," or "I will be releasing a new single next Friday." In both instances, the future simple tense is used to convey the intention of the artist to release new music in the near future. In the world of music, the future simple tense is also utilized when artists talk about their future plans and aspirations. For instance, a musician may share, "I will be performing at a music festival next summer," or "I will be collaborating with a famous singer on my next track." These statements indicate the artist's intentions and ambitions for the future, giving fans a glimpse into what they can expect from the artist in the upcoming months or years. Moreover, music journalists and critics often use the future simple tense when speculating about potential collaborations or releases in the music industry. They might write, "There will likely be a surprise album drop from a major artist this year," or "I predict that there will be a big hit song coming out soon." By using the future simple tense in their writing, they convey their predictions and expectations for the future of music. In conclusion, the future simple tense plays a crucial role in discussing future song releases in the music industry. Artists, producers, journalists, and critics all use this language construction to generate excitement, make announcements, express intentions, and speculate about what lies ahead in the world of music. The future simple tense adds a sense of anticipation and hope to discussions about upcoming music releases, creating a sense of excitement for fans and stakeholders in the music industry.